everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just thought I would give you a quick update on a couple of stocks that are at resistance, at some extension points here. ROKU is at some resistance coming in around 404.85 to 406.08. I personally have been watching for a pullback and wanting a shorter time frame pullback, but really have not been able to get anything. So I am hoping we will get a pullback here so that I can jump into ROKU myself, because now it is above the 200. It's above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. So I really want to be able to get into this stock, and but I've got to wait until there's a pullback. I don't get into things when they're going straight up. I know some people do, but it's just not a general rule for myself. But if you're already in ROKU, I did want you to be aware that we are up against some resistance here. Also with Costco here, same story. We are up at some resistance, and now we are above the 200. We're above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. So once we do get a pullback here on a lower time frame chart, I will be interested in getting into this also, because we have not met the larger swing targets yet. And same with ROKU. We have not met these larger swing targets yet. Okay, so that is what I am still looking at here. Two royal charts that are just in need of a pullback. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. If you are not in the Fibonacci room, please come join us. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me